Exciting news for our Argyle community. The brand new Fifth Gear Automotive facility is almost ready, and we're officially opening this month. The crews are putting on the final touches, from signage out in the front to details inside, everything built to create a better, faster, and more comfortable experience for our customers and team. The new state-of-the-art facility adds over 4,000 square feet, featuring expanded technician bays, a dedicated alignment station, upgraded customer areas, and even space for car washes and service team coordination. With a more efficient layout and improved access for part deliveries, we'll be able to complete repairs faster, helping you get back on the road with less downtime. Just as always, you can count on the same trusted Fifth Gear service, honest communication, and attention to detail our Argyle community has come to expect. We'll continue offering convenient services like free pickup and delivery, affordable pricing, and our 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on all repairs.